By 2030, artificial intelligence is projected to replace up to 30% of jobs globally. But this is not just a threat. It is a wake-up call. What if you could prepare yourself for the artificial intelligence revolution before it is too late? Welcome to Neuralverse Academy. Today, we are diving deep into how artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market and how you can stay ahead. From finance to healthcare, artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. In the year 2025, humanoid robots are beginning to move from research laboratories to commercial use, especially in factories and customer service. Jobs most at risk include data entry clerks, telemarketers, content writers, cashiers, and even drivers. These roles involve repetitive tasks, making them prime candidates for automation. However, it is not all doom and gloom. Artificial intelligence is also creating new opportunities. According to recent studies, artificial intelligence could generate 170 million new jobs while eliminating 92 million, resulting in a net gain of 78 million jobs by the year 2030. Emerging roles include artificial intelligence ethics specialists, prompt engineers, cybersecurity analysts, artificial intelligence maintenance technicians, and human artificial intelligence interaction designers. These careers demand creativity, emotional intelligence, and technical skills, things that machines cannot fully replicate. So, how can you prepare? Start by learning the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and coding. Explore data science, machine learning, and cybersecurity. Use platforms such as Coursera, edX, and Neuralverse Academy to build your skills. The key to surviving the artificial intelligence revolution is adaptability. Continue learning. Stay curious. Be proactive. The future is not about fighting artificial intelligence. It is about working with it. Do not wait until your job is gone. Subscribe to Neuralverse Academy and let us build your artificial intelligence-powered future together.